it's impacted in a very good way. We can see it in the number of people coming to our website. We had made the mistake of doing SEO once, then thinking, hey, we've done it, there's no need to keep putting money into this.
Yeah.
And we immediately watched our business drop. So we kind of learned the hard way that that's not a good idea in today's age. Everything is done online these days. So much of the sales, almost probably 99% of our sales comes from internet, and the ability to find you quickly and to have a relevant website that people feel comfortable with and can get around with in a hurry. And then you have to be able beyond that to constantly keep it fresh and in something new going on.
Yeah.
And that's what Virteom does for us. That's the prime thing they do for us. And it makes a huge difference in our business.